Working with international clients or vendors. The multi-currency feature in QuickBooks Online Advanced lets you transact in euros, pounds, yen, and more, all while keeping your core books in your home currency. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you must enable the feature in your account and settings. Once it's on, you can add the foreign currencies you need. Then, when you set up a new customer or vendor based overseas, you can assign their preferred currency to their profile. The magic happens on transactions. When you create an invoice for a euro-based client, you enter the amount in euros. QuickBooks automatically calculates the home currency equivalent using the daily exchange rate, which it fetches automatically. You can see both values on the transaction. My crucial pro tip: understand realized and unrealized gains/losses. When you get paid in a foreign currency, the exchange rate may have changed since you issued the invoice. QuickBooks records this difference as a gain or loss, which is a normal part of multi-currency accounting. Review these reports regularly. It transforms complex international bookkeeping into a managed, automated process. Do you deal with multiple currencies? Which one is the most common for your business? Share below. For more guides on advanced features, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.